Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to introduce a very simple data structure called the stack. This is something we'll talk about a great deal next week, but for now, all you need to know are the three basic operations that you can perform on a stack. So let's get started. Since I've downloaded stack.pyc and put it in my current directory, I can actually import my stack class. And I can use it to create stack objects. So what I've done right now is created a new stack S that's currently empty. As will become clear in a second, this line here is supposed to represent the bottom of the stack. And right now there's nothing on the stack, so it's empty. And in the code, I could write s.isEmpty. Now, stacks are a very simple data structure, and so they only support two very restrictive mutating methods. And these are push and pop. What push does is it adds an element to the top of the stack. So s.push3, what that would do is over here, add a new element, 3, to the stack. And by the way, just to make sure our intuition is correct about isEmpty, since the stack is no longer empty, we expect this to return false, which it does. Now let me try pushing another element onto the stack. After I hit enter, the stack now contains two elements, a 3, and then on top of it, a 4. And let me push two more elements. Push, say, -1, and push high. And remember, every time you call push, new elements get added to the top of the stack. So this line of code adds a -1, and this line of code adds high. And one nice way of thinking about it is these items are now in order on the stack from most recently added to least recently added. So that's adding new items to the stack using push. Now what pop does is it removes the top item from a stack. And by top, I don't mean the biggest item, I really mean the one on top. So if I call s.pop, what's going to happen is I'm going to take this item, and let me change colors here. I'm going to take this item, high, and then I'm going to remove it from the stack and return its value. So that is s.pop, it returns the value high. And let me repeat myself, not only does it return the value of the top item in the stack, it also removes it from the stack completely. And so if I call s.pop again, I don't expect to get high again. Instead, I expect to get -1. And similarly, if I call pop two more times, I expect to get 4, and I expect to get 3. Oops, sorry. No, sorry. Unlike push, pop doesn't actually take any parameters, because it always does the same thing. It always removes an item from the stack. So s.pop should return 3. And by the way, after calling pop these 4 times, there's no longer anything on the stack. The stack is now back to being just empty. And if I call pop again, well, that doesn't really make sense, because you can't take anything off of an empty stack. And so I get an error. So in summary, a stack is a data type where you always interact with the top of the stack, whether it's adding new items to the stack or removing items from the stack. And so when I say on the exercise, remove the second highest item in the stack, I mean the second from the top. So if I took the stack and I called my method removeSecond on it, it should change the stack so that now there are only 3 elements on the stack, 3, 4, and high. Thanks for watching and have a great day.